Mabuhay! We are pleased to have you on board your Philippine Airlines flight TRN 2950 and we are bound for Manila. Our heartfelt thanks to our Mabuhay Milers for your continued patronage for our flag carrier. We request all passengers to occupy your assigned seats for the duration of the flight. If you are seated in the next row, you are required by civil aviation regulations to read the passenger's waiting card, also known as the safety card. If you need to be clarified on this procedure, otherwise wish to be reseated, please inform your cabin crew now. We want to ensure the comfort and safety of all passengers, including those with special needs. If you require any assistance during the flight, please feel free to inform our cabin crew. We are here to help make your journey as enjoyable and stress-free as possible. Allow us the privilege to be of service for you today. Once again, this is your flight here in 2P2950 and we are bound for Manila. Damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a bordo de Philippine Airlines. Bien alegre cambio de teléfono. Ustedes en este viaje. Buenos días.